Hey, what's up? It's Armadias here, and I guess this is kind of my voice review on the channel. But this is my first video recorded on the phone, so excuse my unsteady cam and because I'm just holding my phone and recording it with the camera. But today I'm gonna be unboxing my new phone that I literally got just a couple hours ago. Um, and my exams just ended this morning, so I decided to get myself a new phone because there were some features I that my old phone didn't have, and I needed some of these features. So I got a new phone, and honestly, this phone was starting to break anyway. So I got a new phone, and it's, as you can see here, it's the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Um, I think it's less than 250 US dollars, if I done my math correctly. But here it is, and I'm gonna open it. And here we go. It's open, and there you go. There's the phone. There's all these details about its specs and stuff, fast charge, whatever. I honestly don't care. But there's also some other stuff over here, and it's a simple little phone case. Apparently, I thought it didn't come with a phone case, but hey, that's helpful. In times like these, you can't really get a phone case easily anywhere. And also, uh, just a little manual thing. I'll get to that later. But yeah, here's my phone, and I got it in green actually, because I felt like it. Why not? Let's look at the phone later, but in here we also have, of course, the charger, as well as a charging line, and I believe that's it. I don't see anything else in here. I'll just put that aside. And also on here, this is a very important thing. I'm not sure like what its actual name is, but it's basically the thing that you use to access the SIM card SD card slot of the phone. So here it is, and here's a line. It's red inside for some reason, so that's funny. All right, so let's take a look. And here I'm turning on the phone, and I'm also just opening other things like the charger lines. Pretty hard to do one-handed, you know, but I try. And here is open. MIUI 11. And of course, it's going to walk you through the setup. There's a lot of languages, but I think I'm going to go for English United States because why not? Region, yes, Hong Kong. If you didn't know, yes, I'm from Hong Kong. Here's where I go on the Wi-Fi, so I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back. We connected to the Wi-Fi and terms and conditions. Let's be honest, who's actually gonna read this stuff? Checking for SIM card. It's on my current phone right now. I know how to do it. I've done it before, so it's not much of an issue. And side note, I also got some really cheap, like $4, $5 headphones. And it's just because I just needed new headphones. My old ones were breaking. So here they are. They're nothing special, really. It's just some regular headphones. And since they gave us this handy little phone case, might as well just put it in now. And I also got this little ring thing that I can stick on the back of my case so I can prop it up when I want to like watch videos or something. So it's super helpful. And also I can hold it in my hand without it slipping away, which is super nice. And meanwhile, while it's checking for updates or whatever, I want to just talk about why I got this new phone. And mainly it's because of one important feature called NFC. If you've got a newer phone, you probably already know about this, but basically, um, you can like pay for stuff with your credit card without actually bringing out your credit card and only just like tapping your phone onto the credit card payer. That doesn't make sense, but whatever. um and that's cool and all, but the main point is basically we have like an octopus card here in Hong Kong, which is like the Oyster card in United Kingdom. um Basically you can pay for like public transport with a card that you can like recharge once in a while, and you don't need to buy tickets every single time. And you can copy apps and data here. I'm gonna do that later. And as you can probably tell, this video is not scripted at all. I just decided to randomly shoot this video for no apparent reason other than to unbox my phone. But anyway, I have to sign in my Google account, which I will do later. And anyways, the thing with the octopus card here is basically um, they made a thing called an OE Pay MasterCard, which is basically you can link your octopus card to a virtual credit card, which allows you to buy stuff online, which you would normally require a credit card for. But if you don't have one, you can pay for it with your octopus, basically. Well, not just online, also offline. Location scanning, yeah, whatever. Review additional apps. I'll delete them later. But anyway, yeah, there's this thing called the OE Pay MasterCard. Um, and recently I started to want to buy like games on like Steam and stuff, and I really can't be bothered to get like those Steam gift cards and stuff because I'm not gonna spend that much money. So I decided I wanted to get that OE Pay MasterCard thing, but uh, my old phone, i.e., the phone I'm filming on right now, it actually came out late 2018 apparently, and at that time NFC didn't exist, so I needed a phone that had one, and I got this. Fast forward a little bit, and I've started setting up my SIM card and SD card and stuff, and now I'm gonna go show you the octopus thing. It's pretty much exclusive to Hong Kong, so um, if you're anywhere else, then well, too bad for you. Alright, now it's downloaded and we can open it. And meanwhile, here's my octopus card. It looks pretty stupid because it's a student card, but there you go. I instinctively covered my personal code because I don't want people using it and stuff. See, look at that. Manage your OE Pay account, and you can basically use it as like a credit card to use either in real life or online. And that's how one of my friends bought Timotainment merch through his OE Pay account. And yeah, he just bought like a few t-shirts, I think. See, OE Pay MasterCard, online shopping worldwide, yada yada, key information, and I have to log in. Uh, and I'll do this off camera because I can't be bothered to go into editing and censor this stuff. And now I've logged in, and there's some terms and conditions which I don't think anyone cared about. And here's the OE Pay MasterCard page, which I haven't topped up because I literally just started doing this stuff. But I'm gonna do that later, and I'm possibly gonna buy some games. Something else is coming along roughly next week or so, which is a lot more exciting than just me um, unboxing a phone. I'm unboxing something else, and it's a lot more exciting. But for now, yeah, this is my new phone. It's 128 gigabytes in storage, and so I hope I can like play like some games other than Geometry Dash on his phone. Um, and I'll possibly record it as well. So I think that's it from me, and I'll see you next time.